Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to find your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro using application. You have to start by open Show Me Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down, and right here we have Find Earphones. Tap at this line, and now we can play a sound for the left or right earbud, or for both of them. To play, just tap at the best one for you. Let's say I wanna for the left earbud. Now, if you want to play also for the right earbud, you tap at the right and you stop playing for the left earbud. So we need to tap at the both, and now it plays the sound on both of these earbuds. After you found it, you need to tap again at this button, your selected button, to stop it. The most important, your earbuds should be or outside the charging case or inside the charging case, but the lid should be opened. Because right now, as you can see, I put it and I still can play this sound. But once I close the case, I cannot use the application. I cannot use the features here. As you can see, just disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!